I'm Mike Miner. I'm the executive chef here at Border Grill inside Mandalay Bay, and you're eating impossible meat.
Does it work differently when you're cooking with it, or?
No, it's very, very similar to normal beef, right? Except for me, it's kind of addicting to me. I start eating it, I start really enjoying it, and in fact, when we're in the kitchen cooking it, I can smell it being cooked. And it's honestly, it's something I'm like, oh, I want some of that. And we eat it all the time as in the kitchen as chefs, so it's very, very healthy, and we love it. We love it. It even kind of sticks to the pan sometimes, and we'll scrape the bottom of the pan if we're doing like ground beef tacos or something, and that crispy bits of it is so delicious. Really, really tasty.
And with the raw aspect of it, I assume it's safer than just regular raw beef.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's 100% plant-based, so you're good to go. You know, you don't have to worry about parasites or any kind of weird stuff like that. Impossible tartare. You can't go wrong with that, right?
So now we finally have it, the Impossible Burger 2.0 as a burger. So again, it looks really similar to raw beef. You can see this has been cooked medium well done, and it looks exactly like a beef patty that's medium well done. It has a nice pink in the middle, glisten. You can see a bit of the char right there on the patty. So it cooks extremely similar to a regular beef patty. So let's try this. Really good. It just tastes like I'm eating a really good beef patty. You know, it has the texture, the juices are all there. It's very tender. This is a really good burger. Beef is really takes a big carbon footprint, and I think this is a fantastic step to really replacing that without having to compromise. It's just a fantastic tasting burger. I can't tell that it's not meat.